Imagine a dish so flavorful, so perfectly balanced, that it becomes an instant household favorite. Sweet, savory, with a touch of heat, this honey garlic glazed salmon is packed with rich umami goodness and caramelized to perfection. Whether you're looking for a quick weeknight dinner or an impressive meal for guests, this recipe will never disappoint. Let's dive right in. Ingredients: salmon, 340 grams skinless, 1 tablespoon olive oil, honey soy, marinade, 4 cloves garlic, 2 teaspoons fresh ginger, 1/2 teaspoon red pepper flakes, 1 tablespoon olive oil, 1/3 cup low-sodium soy sauce, 1/3 cup honey. Place the salmon fillets in a resealable bag or a bowl. Whisk together the garlic, ginger, red pepper flakes, olive oil, soy sauce, and honey until fully combined. Pour half of the marinade over the salmon, ensuring it's well coated. Set aside the remaining marinade for later. Refrigerate the salmon for at least 30 minutes to let the flavors infuse. Heat 1 tablespoon of olive oil in a medium pan over medium-high heat. Remove the salmon from the marinade and place it in the pan. Discard the used marinade. Sear the salmon for 2 to 3 minutes on one side, then gently flip and cook for another 1 to 2 minutes until beautifully caramelized and slightly crispy on the outside. Once the salmon is cooked, remove it from the pan and set aside. Pour the reserved marinade into the same pan and let it simmer over medium heat until it thickens into a rich, glossy glaze, about 2 to 3 minutes. Stir occasionally to prevent burning. Drizzle the luscious honey garlic glaze over the salmon, ensuring every bite is coated in that irresistible flavor. Serve with your favorite side dish. We love it with steamed broccoli or fluffy jasmine rice for a perfectly balanced meal. And there you have it, perfectly seared honey garlic glazed salmon with a sweet and savory finish that's absolutely mouth-watering. It's quick, easy, and restaurant quality. If you give this recipe a try, let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more delicious recipes. Happy cooking!